This is Launch Pad, a competition that pits the best automotive industry innovators against each other for $100,000 in cash and prizes. Let's meet one of the competitors.
The thing about the car community is there's so many good people in it. You have so many mentors. People who build cars do crazy things, so that you're okay to try different stuff that may or may not work or catch fire. You see it every year at SEMA. It's like, how can I top this? But every year there's like something wilder that shows up and blows everybody away. And being a part of that to help bring those projects to life, that means a lot to be at the cutting edge.